The metalworking craft shop of the Pushkash family has existed for more than 40 years in Kula, but it was only since 1982 that its activities have been carried out under the name of Čelik, which means steel. Its main activity is mechanical processing of engines of passenger and commercial vehicles, agriculture and industrial machines. In order to achieve better efficiency and speed of service, they have also founded a store that offers components of all domestic and foreign manufacturers. Čelik Turbo has a repair service for turbocharged internal combustion engines with high-quality finishing as well as installation of high-quality parts. Furthermore, they are involved in the design, engineering and production of machine elements.